Hello, I am Thekiwithatvapes here, and I've got two things to review. I've got my trusty dusty vape. Let me unsheath what I have in this, under this. Let me unsheath what I have in this cap. So you can see, not that much is happening, you can't really see much of it. Gonna chuck it on the screen right here, as you see. That is my coils, not juiced. This is juiced, but it's good because I can kill two birds with one stone. And I'll show you a picture of what it looks like. Straight out of the little coil container over here. Amazing and stunning in real life, and just love the way that looks. Okay, so yeah, I would have showed you my whole build process of putting it in and installing it, but that's not how I roll, and I prefer not to, but because then I have to do even more editing and trying to work out some shit. Yes, I said shit. Demonetize. Oh no, I'm not getting any money anyway. So yeah, and plus on the second thing to review, these are coming at 2.6, if you can see. Might be back to front for you, or maybe not. On the second list of things to, and also the second thing to review on this, in this video, is a juice. I thought, well, now I'm thinking I better review it because it will go down quick. So yeah, this is a really good juice. Not too bad. It's by the Mushroom Cloud. They are a vape shop and they're pretty good at doing what the vape stuff related. So here I've got, I'll just show. So right here I have the TMC Peaches and Cream. That it is a free mug, and it's also, I think it's a 70/30. Also a 70/30 mix, I think, or it might be a 40/60. It's quite hard to tell because they don't say on here, but this is definitely a free mug. It is a wonderful, got a nice flavour to it. It's you can taste the peaches and a little bit of creaminess, and the only thing is it's a bit harsh as well. It might be because it has more PG, or might be just because the juice is just like that. I never understand why it would be like that. Anyway, let's get down to vaping. So I'm going to be vaping on 110 watts. Let's get down to the vaping, and I'll give you a more in-depth review on this juice. As you see, the coil rips ass. So I might turn it down I usually have a 110, 105. It works there, but that was a bit too hot. Bit too hot for me, but coils are brilliant. So right off the bat, I get this. It's a faint cream, no, faint peaches that is, let me describe. Faint peaches, it's got something there that I can't quite get a hold of. It's also almost like vanilla tasting, sort of. Like a vanilla, it's more of a vanilla creaminess to it on the exhale. And it's pretty good. Pretty good. As I can taste the harshness. And this is the first vape of the day, so let's just keep vaping and then I'll get a main head rush. I need juice up. I used my shirt. Shirt is haters hate. I'm not into horses, but yeah. Oh yeah, and I'll check these coils in another video on um on the wish haul, because I've received a lot of stuff, and I have been like mostly reviewing them and making sure they're good. Like uh, it's more of vaping wish haul, and I've got some accessories for me, but like you can see here. I'm probably using the mic on this, and I've also got a uh, a nice looking charger cord right here. It's a nice plated one, but I won't chuck those in the wish haul. It will just be vape related. I'm still waiting on a few things to arrive, so I'm waiting for a few things to arrive, and then I'll make the wish haul video. And this is just solely a review on just the Juggernaut coils, and I got those through Wish. They took a while to get here, but they're just top quality. I'm surprised. But I'll go more in depth, and I'll even show you the coils and other cool stuff that I got as well. I also got other coils, but I'm not going to tell you what they are, because you have to wait and see in that next video that will be coming shortly. Shortly, whenever, shortly after other things arrive. But yeah, so I'm going to just have a vape up more, and I'll show you how good these coils can be. I should open that door so I can blow it that way. But yeah. Back on the Juggernaut coils, these are tasting amazing. They have a great flavour that they produce. They're just amazing. Yeah, I, I'm really surprised. I'll link where you can get the Juggernaut coils, but not in this description. In my wish one, so you will have to see that and click on, watch that, click on the link in there. But I think this is it for this video. I also have another juice here, but I'm probably not going to review it. It's got not much left, but because then I'll have to cotton this so I can get the most flavors out of that. But it's a good juice. But it might be coming soon. So I think that is the end of this video, because I reviewed some Juggernaut coils. They look amazing. So yeah, as you know. And also yeah, I reviewed a juice. So I just killed two birds with one stone right there. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. I am the Kiwi that vapes. And you probably know my slogan right now. It's vape all day, every day. And that's basically what I do. I'm always vaping. Just nothing really comes exciting about just vaping every day and having the same old shit. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Go into the description below. I'll link my Instagram, my Facebook, my Twitter, because I mostly post on my Instagram, not daily, but you get new pictures and everything on the latest things that I receive or get. So and plus you can get, you just get sneak peeks to what I'm doing. So hopefully you enjoyed. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, either dear or dear. I don't know how this video is going to turn out, so I'll see you in the next video. Remember guys, vape all day, every day.